Good morning, friends. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And my name is Payal, and she is Twinkle, and she is Vanshika. And today we are playing an act and act naming foreigners in restaurant. So please cooperate with us and enjoy with us. And so let's start. Okay.
Hi, your hair are so shine. Are you a foreigner?
Yeah. Thank you for the compliment.
We are from UK, Manchester.
Okay, may I introduce myself?
Yeah, we would like to know about you.
Okay, I am Sanya Malhotra. What about you guys?
I am Amara. Addition says
I am Agatha Edison. We are siblings.
Okay, are you here for a traveling or are you here for a business meeting?
no. We are here for traveling.
We are here for 2 months.
Okay, actually I am the manager of this restaurant. Do you like the services provided here?
Yes.
Yes, we love the dessert most.
Okay, so I think you haven't tried the best dessert of my restaurant yet. Do you like to try?
Yes, we would love to try it.
Okay, wait. So here is gulab jamun with ice cream. You can try it now.
Oh. It's very
It's
delicious.
so delicious.
I know you will love it. It is very great dessert of my restaurant.
Would you pack 4 pieces of it?
Yes, definitely I will.
We love your friendly behavior and nature.
Of course, it's my pleasure.
Please just suggest me some places for visit in Delhi.
Yes, I can just wait a few minutes. This is a list of some places you can visit in Delhi.
Say some names. Say some names.
These are some CP, Janakpuri, Uttam Nagar. These are the places you can visit. You can, and here's my card. You can call me at any whenever you
Can
want.
you join us?
Would you like to join us if you have any spare time?
Yes, I might. If I have a free time, I will come. I will join you.
Okay. We would like to again visit here, and we like your nature and services of this restaurant, and it's very good.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. It was a pleasure to have you guys here. Nice to meet you. Come again. Thanks.